How to turn off iCloud photos on iPhone. If you want to stop your photos from syncing with iCloud, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Step 2. Open your Apple account. Tap your Apple account name at the top of the screen. Step 3. Go to iCloud. Scroll down and tap iCloud. Step 4. Open Photos Settings. Tap Photos to view your iCloud Photos settings. Step 5. Turn off iCloud Photos. Turn off Sync This iPhone. On older iOS versions, this option may be called iCloud Photos. Step 6. Choose what to do with your photos. If prompted, select Download photos and videos to keep a copy of your photos on your iPhone. Remove from iPhone to remove the synced copies from your device while keeping them safely stored in iCloud. That's it. iCloud Photos is now turned off, and your iPhone will stop syncing photos and videos with iCloud. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and tutorials.